Activists use digital campaigns to raise awareness, advocate, and lobby for important causes. Any successful campaign will have a structure consisting of these 4 building blocks: goals, strategy, stakeholders, and tactics. This structure will help you and the audience to easily understand the underlying issue and how your campaign will address it, even if the topic is quite complex. In this video, we will focus on setting up your goals by using the SMART method. Let's use an example campaign. We will be lobbying the European Central Bank to stop financing the fossil fuel industry. Your goals should be specific and simple. For our campaign, the overall goal is for the European Central Bank to divest from fossil fuels by 2025. Your goals should be measurable, meaningful, and motivating. To measure the success of your campaign, we will be able to analyze how much money was directed away from the fossil fuel industry. Make sure to set an achievable and realistic goal for your campaign, whether you plan to achieve policy changes or to spark a public debate. Your campaign has to be relevant and reasonable to your audience. Is there already awareness of the bigger picture, or do you first need to create it? If it's a new topic, you might consider targeting only a specific audience. And lastly, think about how much time you will need to achieve your goal. Is this a short-term or a long-term campaign? The time scale will also have an impact on your strategy and tactics. Check out our second video to learn about the rest of the structure: strategy, stakeholders, and tactics.